Hello guys, I'll be showing you how to use a click detector. For now, I'll just delete the script and make it again. Okay. First is I have a wall with a click detector. If you don't know how to add that, go here and add click detector. I also have a script, insert a script, and I'm just gonna make it do a print statement. Local money equals 500. Then I'm going to do function dot click function. I'm just going to make this a little bit more advanced. You know what? My beginner series won't like. I'll just that'll be coming out a little bit later. So workspace dot wall dot click detector dot mouse click. What this is doing is just getting the click detector and then getting the event of the mouse being clicked. Then I'm going to connect that to a function. Right there. So now I'm going to connect this event of when it's going to detect the mouse click on the click detector to a function, which then I'm going to print. And then I'm going to print, obviously, the money. I had it down here. I go to my output here. This. I can also do a touch statement, but actually no, because video's on click detector. Anyway, I can also make it so I can change the color if I just use workspace dot wall dot brick colored equals brick color dot new, and then here just get like gold. So now when I click it, it'll be gold. It's gonna be gold. I can basically do anything when you click it, and I can even I can destroy it. Workspace dot wall, then destroy. Right here, destroy it. Boom, it's gone. You can do a lot with it. And then yeah, do this. It's really quick and easy to do. It's not even that hard. You just can call it and then detector. There's by the way, if you had like a tool with a click detector on it, you know what? Nah, because then you can, yeah. It's like a little bit different with a tool with a click detector on it. I mean, if you want to, say throw a tool, like a football. Well, I guess I'm kind of talking about. Okay, let's just say like a baseball. How about that? And then you can't use a click detector for that. If I wanted to, I can do a lot of stuff. Okay, I just exit out of that. If I just, I can go back on it, cause okay, I won't show it then. But you can change the size, you can destroy it, you can change the color, you can do anything with a click detector. Well, besides if you want to throw a baseball with it, I mean, you can't do that. Yeah.